Welcome. If you're managing a group on Telegram Web and want to keep your discussions organized, knowing how to close a topic is essential. Maybe you've wrapped up a conversation, or you want to pause replies in a specific thread. Whatever the reason, closing a topic is quick and straightforward with the latest Telegram Web update. Here's how you can do it right from your PC. First, open Telegram Web in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you have admin privileges. Only admins can manage topics, so make sure you have the necessary permissions before proceeding. Now, inside your group, you'll see the list of active topics. Scroll through and find the topic you want to close. This could be a finished discussion, an announcement thread, or any conversation you want to temporarily lock down. With your mouse, right-click on the topic you've selected. A menu will pop up with several options tailored for managing that specific thread. Look for the option labeled Close Topic and click on it. Instantly, the topic will be closed. Members will still be able to read the messages inside, but they won't be able to send new replies until you choose to reopen it. Closing a topic is a great way to keep your group tidy and ensure conversations stay relevant. It's especially useful for announcement threads or when you want to prevent further discussion on a subject without deleting any information. Remember, you can always reopen the topic later if you want to continue the conversation or allow new replies. That's all it takes. Open Telegram Web. Go to your group, right-click the topic, and choose Close Topic. With these simple steps, you'll have more control over your group's discussions, keeping everything organized and easy to manage. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing on Telegram.